It is our hope that beyond the lip service, they will always live the oaths that they will take and swear to uphold. On behalf of the Professional Regulation Commission and the Professional Regulatory Board of Mechanical Engineering, I'd like to welcome you all to the mass oath-taking ceremony for the new certified plant mechanics and mechanical engineers. May I now call on one of the members of the Board of Mechanical Engineering for the opening remarks, Honorable Lorenzo P. Larion. A round of applause.
Honorable Leandro A. Conti, the Chairman of the Board of Mechanical Engineering, our guest of honor speaker, Commissioner Erwin Enan, my colleague at the board, member Honorable Jericho Borja, mechanical engineering graduates and passers, CPM, proud parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Sa Ilocano, naimbag na marin, tama ba? Sa atin sa Kapampangan, maaya, pagat panapon, kay Kongan. Sa mga Bicolano, maray na hapon sa Indogabos. Sa mga Cebuano, Bisaya, maayong hapon sa Tanan. And of course, Assalamualaikum sa ating mga Muslim brothers. Sa Chinese, hindi ko alam. Okay, patsoy na lang. Parting Zamboanga, pagbilang dito, buenas tardes. So it is a very memorial, a very fruitful day for you. Sabi nga sa Biblia, nung nakaraang Todos Santos, yung ika-anim na wika, naganap na. It is accomplished. But pero sa inyo, hindi pa yun accomplished. Kasi it is now or tomorrow will be a new beginning in your life. Kasi mamaya, a little while, ilang minuto pa, susumpa na kayo sa pagiging registered mechanical engineer. Hindi na kayo tatawagin trained mechanical engineer. Yung mga sinulog yung kilay, yung sinulog yung buhok, for 5, 6, 7 years, eto na, naganap na. But of course, since tomorrow will be a new beginning, it is the start of molding yourself. You have to mold your character, and of course, you have to change your attitude to be able to get the goal that you're applying for. It is a success on your profession. Take note that success is not an accident. It is a product of perseverance, hard working, studying, and of course, the love of what you're working. You have less than 40 years to prove your worth. Bakit ko nasabing 40 years? Siguro ang pinakabata sa inyo ngayon, 21, 22. Ang retirement natin, 60. So, less than 40 years. Iisipin nyo gano'ng katagal yung 40 years, gano'ng kabilis matapos ang 40 years. It is just a little time. So, you must have the full effort to be able to succeed and reach your goal. Kailangan yan na at the middle of 40 years, kailangan PME na kayo. Meron bang PME dito? Meron PME dito. Pakita nyo kayo sa PME dyan. Tayo. Nag-iisa na lang yung PME. Tayo, espada. Kayo na makakapagsabi, kayo na siya naging PME. Siguro bata pa kasi bago pa lang tinutubuan ng buhok eh. Joke lang yan, ha? Joke lang yan. Kasama sa interview yun. Well, your batch, February 2023, nung naging examiner ako, ito na siguro yung merong pinakamataas na passing mark. 62%.
Meron pa.
Kaya, hindi ko masabi na mahirap ang madali ang examination. Ang gusto ko lang malaman nyo na magagaling kayo. Tingnan nyo yung top numbers natin, nandiyan lahat. Actually, kanina pa yan eh. Gusto nilang umulit na para makilala nyo sila. And of course, I'm very proud to introduce to you our couple or partner pastors na RTU. Itong dalawang ito eh, talagang hinanap ko at
Mag-asawa.
parang inano ko talaga yung kanilang mga kung ano yung activities nila ng araw, paano sila nakapag-survive. May request. Nasa ba si Rainer? O, magkatabi na kayong dalawa. Kanina natin ko sa unahan ha. Palapit ka ng palapit ha. May request Rainer to stand up. Our top notchers. Very well answered. And of course, his partner, Eunice Santiago. Parehas po silang kami, Santiago. So, pwede na. Talagang nasa rhyme. So, they are your number 1 and number 6. Sabi ko nga kay Eunice kanina, huwag ka mag-alala, hindi, pag nagkatuluyan kayo, hindi ka na number 6. Number 1 pa na. Thank you very much. And of course, talagang napakahirap pagsimula. Walang simula na madali. Di ba? Lahat ng simula, medyo magkakaroon kayo ng hardship, magkakaroon kayo ng pain, magkakaroon kayo ng stress. So, maybe tomorrow, or Sunday pala bukas, ano? So, by Monday, sino may trabaho na rito? Galing. Sino, pataas pa kayo, kayong pagpalaki niya. So, medyo marami-rami na. Siguro mga 9% or 10%. So, meron pang 90% na walang trabaho. Anong gagawin natin? You have to push yourself. You have to change your attitude. All I can say is that you just remember my favorite nursery rhymes. Alam niyo ba yung favorite kong nursery rhymes? Unang-una, yung my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Di ba? Pwede ba tumayo kayo lahat ng tayo. So, may I request you to sing that nursery rhyme, and at the same time, you touch the part of your body that's on that nursery rhyme. Sige, pag hindi kayo sumunod, hindi kayo mag-take over. Okay? Let's start. My toes,
my knees.
Ate, kapag tayo 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3.
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my...
One more time.
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my...
Masyadong hawakan yung buhok mo. Okay, thank you very much, mga little children. Okay. So after singing the nursery rhyme at take an action on your part of your body, anong naramdaman nyo? Di ba pagka tinatch nyo yung toes, medyo i-bend nyo yung knees mo, medyo may pain.
Dito sa baba. Dito.
A little bit of hardship.